Hello students, as in the previous video we understood about human respiratory system, its different organs and the function of different types of organs also. We understood that oxygen rich airs enters into the human respiratory system through nostrils and it reaches to the alveoli of the lungs, which is a balloon like structure, and oxygen rich air is stored in the alveolar regions. Further, from alveoli of the lungs, oxygen is exchanged between the bloodstream through blood capillaries by the process of diffusion, and oxygen enters into the blood where it is carried by hemoglobin of RBC of blood and supplies to the whole parts of the body. Further, oxygen reaches to the different tissues present in the human body and it is utilized by different types of cells present in different tissues in the process of cellular respiration. During the process of cellular respiration, energy is released and that energy is utilized to perform various life processes for survival of life. And during the process of cellular respiration, carbon dioxide is released in different types of cells and it is transferred back into the bloodstream from different tissues, and from different tissues carbon dioxide is transferred back to the bloodstream, and from bloodstream it reaches back to the blood capillaries of the lungs where it is exchanged between the alveolar region, and carbon dioxide reaches to the alveoli of the lungs, and from alveoli it is sent out of the human respiratory system into the air. Thus, the process of exchange of gases is taken place from air to human respiratory system, from human respiratory system to the bloodstream, from bloodstream to different tissues of human body, and after utilization of oxygen by different cells present in different types of tissues, carbon dioxide is released during the process of cellular respiration, and that carbon dioxide is transferred back into the bloodstream. From bloodstream, it reaches to the human respiratory system, in which it reaches to alveoli of the lungs, and from alveoli it is sent out of the human respiratory system back into the air. Thus, the process of gaseous exchange is completed. This process of exchange of gases between the alveoli of the lungs and bloodstream and different tissues is taken place through the process of diffusion. So, diffusion plays important role in the process of gaseous exchange between the human respiratory system and blood stream and different types of tissues. Now, today we will understand about the process of mechanism of breathing. Breathing includes two processes, that is inhalation and exhalation. During the process of inhalation, air enters into the human respiratory system. During the process of inhalation, chest cavity expands, ribs moves upward, and diaphragm, which divides thoracic cavity and abdominal cavity, becomes flat in shape, and volume of the lungs increases, and air enters into the lungs. This can be seen in this figure. Air enters into the lungs, diaphragm get flat, ribs moves upward. Now, during the process of exhalation, chest cavity contracts, ribs move downward, diaphragm become dome shaped, and volume of the lungs decreases, and air exits from the lungs. This can be seen in this figure, that air moves out or exits from the lung, diaphragm get dome shaped, ribs move downward, thoracic cavity or chest cavity contracts. So this is the process of mechanism of breathing. Breathing is the process of exchange of gases between the air to the human respiratory system, and from human respiratory system the air exits into the back into the air. So breathing includes two processes, that is inhalation and exhalation. During the process of inhalation, air enters from nostril to the lungs, and during the process of exhalation, carbon dioxide containing air moves out from the human respiratory system into the air. Thus, this is the process of respiration which is performed inside the human body with the help of human respiratory system